So this is Jason. We're hearing from our PR team that one of the news outlets is incorrectly reporting that Robinhood is effecting a split on our stock.
Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We've just listened in to the earnings report, Vlad Tenev speaking, and we heard just right at the end of the report a very important statement actually, and I'm going to react to it now. Here is that report.
So this is Jason. We're hearing from our PR team that one of the news outlets is incorrectly reporting that Robinhood is effecting a split on our stock. I just want to be super clear that is not any plan that we have. It's not factually accurate, and so for all those listening, if you can spread the correct news, that would be fantastic. Thank you.
So there you go. You just heard from Robinhood. There are Redditors and tweeters right now making ridiculous claims that there's a stock split coming for Robinhood. Absolutely ridiculous. Like I made a video just before the earnings call. If you don't believe me, go and click up here. And I actually made the video predicting exactly that. It was called Fool's Pump. If you click up here, I made the video before the earnings call started predicting that exact thing. I knew that was going to happen. So click up there and you'll see that. What is happening and why the stock price has gone up tonight. It should have gone down. Robinhood have missed on earnings. The reason for this is Robinhood fundamentally is used, even though I am a long-term investor and there are many large long-term investors that are here on Robinhood to make real money long-term and so on. Unfortunately, Robinhood does have a lot of young, inexperienced, I don't even call them investors, people that pump and dump nonsense, write nonsense on Reddit. And you heard it there directly from Robinhood themselves. And they asked me and other broadcasters to put the news out. There is no stock split. And right now, all over social media, and I bet it's all over Reddit right now, I get a lot of people message me below my videos saying stupid things all the time. The fact of the matter is there is no stock split. That's why the stock has risen like this. It will sell off. I made a prediction video before the broadcast. I was 100% confident that it would go down. And it popped up, it went up, straight back down again and up again. This is ridiculous what's happening right now. The stock price will come back down. I've made my money. I sold my position in Robinhood. I'm waiting to buy it back down around the $8, $9. And it's very, very important. This stock, like GameStop, like Bed Bath & Beyond, like Mullen, like Arrival, gets a lot of Redditors, a lot of people. They formed armies on social media to create nonsense. And unfortunately, the sort of people that buy Robinhood, not only, of course, I mean, there are credible investors. I hope I'm in that category. But unfortunately, there's a lot of young people who have no idea what they're buying, and they'll be influenced by all of this rubbish. Today, I put out a video about Lucid. There was a crazy announcement about a takeover. It's just a rumor. In fact, it was originally found, and I detected it, and I released it to the world actually, that it was on a gossip website. And do you know what? People didn't listen. They didn't believe me, and up went the stock, and I sold it for 140%. I got out of Lucid, and people said, "What are you doing getting out of Lucid? It's a great car." I said, "It's a great car, but the stock price is ridiculous. It doesn't make any money. It loses money on every car it sells." So Robinhood's the same. This will go back down. You could lose all your money if you read information like this. We are trying to build the most honest, real, most trusted YouTube channel in the world. It's why I go live 10 hours a day, up to 10 hours a day with my real money, my real shares. Let me share with you my overall position. This is all my money in the world. There it is. There's my full balance. There is my Roth IRA, which we were talking about. This is my position. Other than, and I will share with you my Coinbase allocation here. This is our $1,000 crypto challenge, $1,000 to $10,000 live on the show. Other than that, and other than what's in my ledger, and $1,500 in my checking account, $1,500 in my personal account, all of which I share with you live on the show, is in front of the world 10 hours a day. We want to grow a community that is honest and real, and it's very, very important when you hear ridiculous claims like that. And Robinhood, I notice, is still going up. It'll be pumped like this and then dumped. There's no reason whatsoever why the stock price is running like this. I am not buying it. I'm waiting for it to fall back down. The company are great, but the lies and the manipulation that we're hearing now on Reddit tonight is absolute nonsense. I wish everyone the very, very best. I am back live in the morning. Click up here for the live shows. This will go out as a video. I'm making it during a live show, so check that out, and I'll be back in the morning. If you are interested in supporting those poor people who are affected by the earthquake, here is the link to my live studio. This is a studio behind me. I was voted the world piano man, and all of this studio will light up with special effects and so on, and hopefully raise lots of money for the people in Turkey and Syria. And 100% of the money will go to them. None of it goes to me. All right, guys, I look forward to seeing you in the morning. Let's have a little look. Randall Marsh said, would imagine 8 may be lower. Yes, indeed. Yeah, stay on that negative thinking. Must have short sold it and wants to start a panic. Hang on, what is this guy talking about? Okay, this is someone talking nonsense here. I never short a stock, ever. I never buy a pump, ever. I never buy when stock goes up, ever. I'm not trying to create a panic at all. I'm reporting the facts, and this is the sort of rubbish that we get. We were just asked by Robinhood to report the facts. Matt says, you're hurting my feelings. I do hope not. We're interested in just bringing you the facts. We're not interested in pumping anything. LOL, this guy is a scam. There we go. Look at this guy here. Look, this guy is a scam. Say, no one could be more open and honest with you. This is my real shares, my real money, and these are the sort of people that will come on and say nonsense. They're all over the internet now spreading gossip, and you've heard Robinhood themselves say there is no stock split. But this guy here is trying to talk nonsense. Okay. Are we going below $9.50? In my opinion, it will go down to $8. Stock split to a penny stock of what? Says T.O. Roll. The studio is rad. Thank you very much indeed. What's good, my British man? Poke life lessons. Thank you. Martyn and Roland Rat had nothing on you. You are the real superstar. Thank you very much, Real Ray. You can see the sort of nonsense that we get, though. People come in and say silly things, trying to influence stuff. I will not have it. This show is about honesty and integrity. And if you don't like it, go and watch another channel that will tell you a load of rubbish and get you to lose your money and hold the bag. Here, we're trying to help people. Until the morning, take care of yourselves and each other.